this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is my cover sheet for my December documented for the month of December. What I do is that I document what I do through December. I do not do December daily. And this is for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, where I am going to use Virginia's cut file. It is from last year, so it is in the shop. It is the countdown. It's got like 1 to 25, and I thought that this would be a good cover sheet. So this particular one is not going to have any picture or any of that. It is my cover for my December documented for 2020. Now, if you guys don't know and you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. I would like that you would like and subscribe to my channel. That would be fantastic because I do tons and tons and tons of December documented stuff through the month of December. Virginia has a major thing going on right now where she is going to use cut files galore for December, and I've got my thing at the end, so it'd be fantastic to get all of your likes and subscribes out there and just see all of the tons of different documented stuff that you can see. So what I am doing here is that I'm placing the gold and reds and all of that stuff on the outside of this or in the inside. And then you will see what I do with the cut file and the vellum. Now I am in a mixture of some of the old crepe paper. I am a huge crepe paper person when it comes to December and documenting. I love their vintage. I love their style. That's just in general what I love to do. So what I did is that I took a bunch of sequins, gold and green or gold and red, and I did a bunch of stuff on the inside of that paper. Now you will see here I am taking the cut file and I am going to glue this straight down to this vellum onto this one, and I'm going to turn it into a huge shaker pocket. And what I did is that instead of making it like big, I made it flat. I made it like a flat one for that particular, and then I'm just putting the little innards back into this and making sure that I get all the little pieces back to like the inner parts of the numbers, just so it looks like an 8, 9, 2, 4, whatever it is. And so what I did is that I made sure that I glued all this down, and then I'm taking the paper of my strip that I'm using here, the double stick tape, and I'm going to put more sequins down, and then it'll turn into like kind of major sequence. So what I do is that I put down the 3 sides, and then I'll dump a bunch of the junk in there, or I shouldn't say junk, the sequins, and then I'll take out that other one and go from there. So what I'm doing there is that I just want to make sure, and then what I decided to do is that I'm going to take a few of these other colors and I'm just going to dot them all over the place. So what I mean by that is not only are the sequins in the inside, not only is the sequence kind of glued in spots, then I'm going to take the sequence and I'm going to put it all over and then dazzle this up. And then that's going to be my cover sheet for 2020, December 2020. So I am looking at putting down my title, and I know that it doesn't look like that there's going to be a lot there, but there is. I like it, and you can see it in real life what December 2020 looks like. On here it may not look like you can see it, but I promise you can. So I'm going through that. So let's see here. Make sure that you go check out Virginia. She releases cut files every day for the first 5 days. So this one is already out there. It was already there last year's for it, so it's already there. But the rest of the cut files, that she will release. Now remember, she releases freebies every day, and then she will have every day she will release up to, I think if I remember correctly, 5. I am so sorry if you hear my dog in the background. All of a sudden I was kind of stuttering through there, and I was realizing that my dog is snoring. So I am sorry if you see that, or if you're hearing that. I am doing a bunch of voiceovers. So while I was at Fran's house over Thanksgiving, I actually did up 4 layouts. One of them already went up, or 2 of them already went up on my channel. And then this one, and then one more. And so that helps me out. That is fantastic. I'm so glad that I was able to get a lot of these done. It makes it help me out so much. So here I am. I am going through, and I'm going and making sure that I have everything placed down. Now this is where the sequence come into play. I'm just going through the sequence, and I'm just playing it through, and I'm going to put it up and go from there. And that is pretty much it for my cover. Now I do know that this is a little bit of a shorter layout, but you guys will see a ton of Christmas layouts from me, and documenting and all of that for that respect. So I am super grateful. December is one of my months that I love Christmas. I just love the gift of giving, and I just love doing all of that. My kids are going to get a bunch this year. You know, my daughter gets just a bunch of stuff. I do more of like the needs and wants for my daughter than what I do for the rest, for like what I do for my kids and stuff. For my kids, I try to make sure that they do, and they get, some good stuff from me. And I just love this season. It's like one of my favorites. My house is already decorated. I just got to get my Christmas tree, and my Christmas tree is real, so I don't get that until about 2 weeks. So there you have it. There's where the rest of it is. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.